How to get the dark mode on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and get the dark mode on Wattpad easy and fast. First thing, go to Wattpad. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go again to the top corner here, click on this little icon and go to dark mode here. Click on it and click on, and now we have the dark mode, as you can see right here. And if you want to disable it, go again to dark mode here and disable it from here. It's very easy, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.